In this video, I am going to show you how to reset iPhone without losing your data. At first, touch this setting icon. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Again scroll all the down. Now click on this option Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, click on Reset here. You can see several options here. Now you have to click on the very first one, Reset all settings. Now your Face ID will be enabled, or you have to type your phone's passcode here, and once you confirm that, wait for a restart, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After you complete this process, it will wipe up all your settings but not a files, so your photos, messages, apps, all will be safe, but you will have to add Wi-Fi password, 2-week preference after, so this way you can easily reset your iPhone.